Greetings, everybody. Welcome to Technopoly 411, the show that takes technology, reads it, makes it, and spits it out. Here are your hosts, Nick Wattier, Sarah Rajek, and Mike Tesla.
Welcome to Technopoly 411. I'm Nick Wattier. I have another very special guest with me today. A Guinness World Record holding magician, moved to Wisconsin from Hawaii a few years back and kind of changing his business model a little bit, Monty. I guess you're getting into the Android market, is that correct?
Yeah, there's actually a couple of things that's made me change. One's moving to Wisconsin. I don't have near the actual magic market that I did in Hawaii.
Right.
But the other thing is magic, like everything else, is going high tech. So I have put together a few apps for magic, actually a lot of apps, but 6 of them are for magic. One of them I'll show you a little later in this program if you're interested. But yeah, several apps.
Well, Monty, you were telling me before we started rolling the cameras here, you have about 50 apps out there, is that true?
Yeah, I do. They cover a wide range of things. Like I said, 6 of them are strictly magic apps for magicians and people trying to learn magic. I have several that are educational type apps. One of my most popular free apps is one on dog training.
Really?
Yeah, totally out of my field, but except I foster dogs. So.
Okay. So you know something. It's not just throw a bone and they'll run after you. Okay.
That particular app has hit 37,000 downloads in just a few months.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's interesting. So tell me a little bit about how the app market works. I understand you have to, of course, write a program, and I believe that's in Java?
Yeah, the Android apps, you need, pretty high level as far as making a program. The development is all in Java. We use Eclipse, if you're familiar with that.
Yeah, I've used Eclipse for some websites.
Yeah, we use that for all the the actual programming. And the Android apps have to be laid out in a very specific way or specific manner, even to the point that so there's no name conflict. If you was to, for example, search for my apps, like my website would be montysmagic.com, but if you was to search on the Android market, it's reversed. It's com dot Monty's Magic, and then it'll just bring up my apps. And that's true with most developers do it that way. The Android market suggests that you do it that way, and this is to avoid name conflict in the apps.
I get you.
That way, 2 apps could be named. Well, for example, there could be another dog training app out there, but the montysmagic.com dog training would get rid of that.
I get you. So it's the explicit declarations. That makes sense. So I see you got your HTC with you.
Yeah, a good.
Do you have some apps with you? You can show us.
I do. The one I would like to show you.
You got a camera? Okay.
Is one on one of my magic apps. So can I get a third person in here?
Mike.
We have somebody.
Yeah, Mike will come on.
Okay, great. We'll get Mike in here and we'll get, hi Mike.
Hey Monty, nice to see you.
I don't know if you've done these with him before or not. This is my first one, but it's kind of fun. We'll do a little magic trick using the Android phone. Let me just turn it up here. It's like any phone. These apps work on any Android device, any of these Android smartphones or the Android tablets. The app I'm going to use is one here called Stack Deck. It's really a high-level app that's strictly for advanced magicians. This particular one. I do have several magic apps that are for novice, beginner magicians, but this particular one is for high-level magicians.
So it's not a Cracker Jack trick?
No, it's not. But if we bring it up here like this, and then I'll just pick one of the tricks in it that we're going to use today. It's one that I call Second Chance, and we'll put it down here so everybody can see it when we zoom in on it, when they edit it in now, but you'll be able to see it. This will be one continuous take, even though the camera may edit it from a wide view of us to the close-up.
Yeah, absolutely.
But it is one continuous take, so nothing actually changes while we're doing it. And for this to work, I need to get both of you to pick a card.
Okay.
Okay, so let me mix them up here a couple of times like this. And when you pick a card, You can show it to me. I mean, don't show it to me. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know.
That makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, right. Do not show it to me. Please show it to the camera. And some people think the phones are smarter than they really are, so try not to let the phone see it.
Okay, all right. I won't tell it either.
But we'll mix them up here a little bit, and I'll get each of you to pick a card, and then you can show it to the camera, and I'll just kind of hide my eyes a little bit here. But what I'll do is come down through this, and Nick, just tell me when to stop.
Right there.
Right there? Okay, why don't you look at that card, okay? And you can go ahead and show it to the camera, and I'll show one for Mike. Let me mix them up just a little bit more for him. Okay? Mike, just tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Right there, okay? And you can do the same with that one. We're done with the rest of the cards. We might show the audience here that they are indeed just regular cards. Nothing special about them. And this is kind of fun. Okay, now obviously I haven't seen the cards. I don't know what you picked. Hopefully you shielded them from the phone, so the camera.
Yeah, I put the back.
Yeah, the camera couldn't have shot a picture of them or anything like that. But it's kind of fun. What we'll do is, if you kind of watch the monitor on here, Nick. Okay, now we'll work with your card first and concentrate on a little bit. And what we'll get you to do, Nick, is just when you're thoroughly concentrated on your phone, I mean on your card, you have it in your mind. Just reach over and touch the screen somewhere.
It went to sleep on us here.
It went to sleep? Uh-oh, we'll turn it back on. Okay, there we go. So just reach over and touch the phone somewhere. Perfect. Oh, what's your card? Ace of Spades.
Look at that.
Kinda neat. Now yours is a little more difficult. What I need you to do is just concentrate on your card. Keep it in your mind. Concentrate on your card. Maybe show the camera. But now, once you've got it in your mind, just look at the phone. And show the audience your card. And that is the kind of things we do with the Android app. This happens to be my best-selling app too.
Wow. That is very cool. Well, thanks for coming on, Monty. We appreciate the little magic.
You're welcome.
Yeah, definitely. So check out the Android market, guys. That's com.Monty's Magic, right?
And if you want to see just the magic apps, you can go com, Monty's Magic, plus Magic. Or, for example, if you want to see my pet apps, com, Monty's Magic, plus pets.
Very cool. Thanks for being on, Monty.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mike. Nice meeting you.
And we'll see you guys around on Tech 411.